This is a review of a moisture meter that we bought from Amazon for just £14. We're going to test it on this decking that probably needs some of the deck boards replacing. Already replaced one. Basically wood rots when the moisture starts to go over 20%. I'm sure a number of these boards will have over 20%, even though it's not rained for about 10 days, so it's quite dry. Yeah, this is dry, it's rotted. Anyway, this digital moisture meter cost just £14 from Amazon. See what you get with it. Just arrived today. Oh, you get a battery, that's good. Some instructions which you don't really need, 'cause it's probably where the pin is, or pins. Ooh, got 4 pins. Ouch, quite sharp. Definitely don't let kids play around with these. So I'm going to put the battery in and then we'll see what moisture readings it gives. So that's the battery inside the moisture tester on. We'll see what this rotting deck board readings are. First, let's try it from up here where it's fairly dry. 24%. But down here 36%. Here 36%. 36%. So it's working, because this is a rotten board. What about the other side? It's 0. It shows you the decks rot from underneath. It's not getting any reading here. The other side, nearly 40%. So it works. Let's try some other wood. See what the reading is on this children's swing chair. 4%, so that's pretty dry. Let's see what it is on this bench. Zero. So this bench is dry. It's not rotting. But plant. Let's see what it is on this tree. See what the reading is on this tree. Ooh, 40%. Well, it is a living tree. The reading is on this treated timber. 0. So that's not rotting. See what the reading is on this new fence. 4%. What's the reading on this decking? Should be 0 because the decks rot from the bottom. There we go. Showing 5%. This new board. Let's try this. One of these old boards. Oh. 0%. So it does work in picking up moisture, as you can see there. 37%. So he gets a 9 out of 10. Reason 9 because you can't switch the display around. If you switch the display around, it will be 10 out of 10. It works. Basically anything over 20 is rotting unless it's living. Trees are 40%. But the thing is with wood, especially decking, it's going to be rotting from underneath. Anyway, this is past its test. It's accurate in measuring moisture. So that's 20 old deck boards removed from the deck. It's 10 years old. You see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 joists running along. It's looking fairly good nick, apart from the one at the end that's rotted away, completely rotted, which is the one that needs replacing. Look, it's a 6-inch joist, so the plan is to replace the top 3 inches with this joist that I bought from BM Store. I think this one cost £6, 2.4 meters long. I've also got one value deck board that cost £5, so in total I've spent just £11. I'm going to see if I can repair this 10-year-old decking with just £11.